in this class of your. This is actually your lab, not your theory class. This is lab for BS Part 3 and MSc Previous, right? So I just needed to know. First of all, I welcome you all. This is, of course, my all the prayers and wishes that we should be going all along in a nice way. And I hope you will be regular, you will be punctual, and I hope your mobiles are off and you're not looking at your messages, which you are right now. मैंने देख लिया. So don't do that, okay? अच्छा. अब आपने आना है यहाँ पर. As I told you that I am going to speak in multiple languages, 3 languages at one time, so that you can, everyone should be able to understand and follow what we are right now doing. So I am going to teach you the lab of BS Part 3 and MSc Previous Organic Chemistry. Right, this is your course. It has course number CAM 503. So you need to remember that which course you are actually having with the teacher, right? I'm Professor Dr. Moina Akhtar Mohan, right? So now what I wanted to tell you is that there are a few things which you are supposed to remember when you are in the lab, right? There are a few things. ये कौन है जिसका मुंह उस तरफ चला गया? बेटा आप इधर आके खड़े हो. Please stand here because I am not going to repeat what I am saying, right? And whatever you will miss in the first, today is the first introductory class. Okay, you can write it down. You can, if you wish to write, it's okay, no problem. I'm allowing you to write. If you want to write, you can write. You can go and make your things if you want to write. Because I don't have any paper in my hand right now. It's just an introductory class between my new students because you are all new. I have never taught you people in any class. So it's better to understand each other today, and it's better to understand the way I teach you. Though I hope so that you will be watching some of my videos on YouTube. I hope so. If somebody is watching, so you can understand the way I teach. अगर कोई देखता होगा videos तो उसको पता होगा कि how I teach. It's on you. I know you always watch. You also watch. But there are others also which I wanted to, because my all videos are on LMS of University of Sindh Jamshedpur, right? And this process actually, this channel actually started on when the COVID starts. And I was the first teacher of the university who started videotaping the lectures, and I'm delivering those lectures since last 1 year. पूरा 1 year खत्म हो चुका है मेरा, ठीक है, बनाते हुए. And there are so many topics, 280 videos almost. उसमें से 2-4 ऐसी होंगी जो ऐसी बनी नहीं है, motivational है. Otherwise बाकी सारी it's all on the topics related to organic chemistry, right? And the topics आपको वो सारे पढ़ने भी हैं, and आपको उनको watch करना है. You have to watch every video because these are all on your LMS. And LMS, you know, Learning Management System, University of Sindh. So please go through those. वो आपके लिए बेहतर होगा. And select the ones. I will highlight the ones जो आपके topics से related है. What I am teaching you, I am going to highlight that video. Then watch this one now, so that you will be able to absorb a lot of things from the video. Video क्या हम एक तरह से देखते हैं, teacher ना भी हो, so video is a great help. And we don't know when the COVID again hits back as it is again rising. We don't know. फिर आप online चले जाओगे. You will be online, we will be offline, online, offline होता रहेगा. So no problem. When we are on face-to-face facing each other, no problem. When you are having your physical classes, we will join again. If you will go if you will be off due to COVID, कोई बात नहीं, हम online join रहेंगे. We will be linked online, inshallah, hopefully, right? So today I'm going to tell you that the subject I'm going to teach you is organic chemistry lab, right? It has 100 marks. This subject contains 100 marks, and 100 marks I know means a lot. Means a lot. It can, make you grow to that level, and it can lower you down to that level. 100 marks is this much to increase your CGPA, right? And I am here to make you a successful chemist, right? And I will help you in all the means to be a good chemist, and I will try my level best that you should become a student who can face your final year with the flying colors. and you will be able to understand each and everything because you've been learning all those things in this year. So I will try to give you this much amount of knowledge which would help you out in your final year organic chemistry also. Those who will opt for the final year organic chemistry, and for those who are in the analytical chemistry. Because I am a teacher of analytical chemistry also. I know analytical tools, I know analytical instrumentation a lot. I have lots of videos on instrumentation, on XRD, on UV visible, on FTIR, on many instruments. Viscosity, I have done viscosity a lot. Nobody here, I think, has done viscosity practically on the viscometric bath. I was the one who washed it, and I have a supervisor, Professor Dr. Mohammad Yar Khawar. I think you know him. If you don't know, you should go and meet him for once. ऐसा आदमी आपको नहीं मिलेगा. He was my supervisor and he's Professor Emeritus, and he comes here to to deliver his lectures for the PhD lectures. PhD classes वो लेते हैं यहाँ पर. आजकल वो दोबारा आना शुरू हो गए. So it's good if you go and you should sit in his class and you should see कि वो कैसे पढ़ाते हैं. ऐसे teachers आपको you are not going to find again. आपको पूरी chemistry में नहीं मिलेंगे. ठीक है? So what I have learned today, what I have in those so many years is because of Allah and because of my supervisor and of course because of my husband who was a very good teacher, right? So I have learned a lot of things, lot of instrumentation just because of these people. So आपको भी याद रखना चाहिए आपको किसने किस लम्हे किस वक्त क्या चीज़ याद कराई थी, क्या पढ़ाया था आपको और आपने क्या किससे सीखा था. ठीक है, आप थोड़ा सा पढ़े लेकिन वो क्वालिटी वाला हो. You should have the quality. We don't need the quantity जिसमें से आपको कुछ भी ना आता हो. If I ask you anything, आपको कुछ भी ना आता हो. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. You should be, if you will learn 3 chapters, you are supposed to be the champion of all those 3 chapters, right? You should have the mastery to justify whatever the teacher asks you. Justify yourself that yes, you can answer it because you have done it in the lab. Right? Lab. What lab is for? Lab is for doing the practical work, right? And I'm a full-fledged professor. There are very few professors who are conducting laboratories. They are not conducting laboratories. वो क्या आपको इतना बड़ा king of the वो बनाते हैं, समझते हैं हम क्यों क्लास लें भाई, जो लैब ले भाई, हम तो क्लास लेंगे और भाग जाएंगे. This is what the trend is going on here in University of Sindh. तो ये अच्छी बात नहीं है. प्रोफेसर्स को सबको क्लास लेनी चाहिए, ठीक है ना? थ्योरी भी लेनी चाहिए और लैब्स भी लेने चाहिए. थ्योरी लेना ले, लैब में जरूर प्रोफेसर हो. ये कॉन्सेप्ट होता था एक जमाने में. डू यू नो क्या कॉन्सेप्ट होता था प्रोफेसर का? व्हाट वाज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ अ प्रोफेसर? प्रोफेसर कहते थे प्रोफेसर तो वो है जिसको हम लोग अपनी घड़ी देखते थे. दे यूज्ड टू वॉच द टाइम व्हेन दे सॉ द प्रोफेसर. दे यूज्ड टू मैच देयर टाइमिंग्स विद द एंट्री ऑफ द प्रोफेसर. उसका आने का टाइम ऐसा होता था. तो इस तरह से घड़ियां आप नहीं मिलाते थे जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दे हैव सीन द प्रोफेसर. प्रोफेसर इज सो बिफोर द टाइम. ये होती थी डेफिनेशन प्रोफेसर की. आजकल एक अजीबोगरीब डेफिनेशन बनी हुई है. प्रोफेसर्स आर नॉट इवन कंडक्टिंग देयर लैब, सो दिस इज नॉट गुड. आई डोंट नो आपके साथ बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स में क्या होने वाला है, वो मेरा कंसर्न भी नहीं है और मुझे इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं है. लेकिन वॉट एवर आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू, भले वो थोड़ा सा होगा लेकिन वो क्वालिटी होगी उसके अंदर. उसमें से आप सीखेंगे जरूर. डेफिनेटली यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न थिंग्स which nobody is going to make you learn. Even if you go through my videos, आप उसमें देखोगे कि ऐसी ऐसी चीज़ें मैंने पढ़ाई हुई है कि जो आपको कोई भी यहाँ पर अवेलेबल नहीं है. Nobody is interested in telling you what glass is for and what is spatula is for. What is the difference between a spatula and what is the difference between a glass rod? Nobody is going to tell you, right? किसी को इंटरेस्ट नहीं है कि आपको वो कहे कि why you are prohibited to mix something with a spatula. Stirring, why stirring is not allowed for with the spatula, is not allowed with the spatula. Why glass rod is preferred? क्यों ग्लास रॉड से बनाई जाती है? चलो आप में से किसी से पूछती हूँ मैं. पता है अभी if I have to stir an organic solvent with an organic compound, right, some compound, right, a solid and a liquid, if I have to stir it, मुझे उसको stirring करनी है, so can I use a glass rod or a spatula? Yes, somebody. Glass rod. How many for glass rod? Raise hands. Glass rod. And how many for spatulas? Raise hands. Only 1, 2 spatulas. Okay, now I'll tell you one thing. You are supposed to stir your organic compound whenever you are using an organic chemical, an organic solvent or organic compound, we call organic solvent, that is a liquid, and an organic solid, an organic compound. हम दोनों को क्या कहते हैं? Organic compound. कभी कोई organic solvents, ethanol, methanol, chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, benzene, toluene, xylene, these are all organic solvents, right? And organic solids, benzoic acid है, बहुत सारे acetate halide, these are all organic solids. इन दोनों को हम क्या कहते हैं? We call them organic compounds. Somebody can ask you in your YY exams, what is the difference between an organic solvent and organic solid? तो आप कहेंगे these are they both come under the category of organic compounds. So my question was that why we are prohibited to stir any organic solvent with a spatula? Because spatula is a metallic substance. It is made up of metal. It's a metal, some sort of a metal, steel or something, whatever. And organic solvents are very volatile in nature, right? They have the capability to interact or react with that metal. And what happens when you are stirring your कोई भी चीज़ आप बना रहे हैं, वो उसको spoil कर देगा, उसमें reaction को disturb कर देगा. It is gonna react with your compound which you are stirring. जो आप अपना काम कर रहे थे वो तो गया एक तरफ, उसने एक और ही काम कर दिया अंदर, वो मेटल्स छोड़ दिए उसने अंदर, ठीक है? मेटल्स ने उनके साथ रिएक्शन स्टार्ट किया और वो कुछ और बन गया, एंड आपका पूरा एक्सपेरिमेंट गेट स्पॉइल्ड, एंड देन यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये हमारे साथ क्यों हुआ, व्हाई इज इट सो दैट दिस हैज हैपेंड. तो वो इसलिए हुआ बिकॉज यू हैव यूज्ड अ मेटालिक स्पैचुला फॉर स्टरिंग द ऑर्गेनिक सॉल्वेंट. आपने नहीं कभी भी ऑर्गेनिक सॉल्वेंट को जो है किसी भी सॉल्वेंट के अंदर घुमाने के लिए, स्टरिंग करने के लिए स्पैचुला यूज नहीं करना. समझ आया? स्पैचुला देखा हुआ है सबने कैसा होता है? ओके, अगर मुझे पता होता आई वुड हैव अरेंज्ड एवरीथिंग. नेक्स्ट क्लास में सब कुछ अरेंज करेंगे and I will let you see everything, what the things are and what is their function. Glass rod, we use it because glass, it does not react with the organic solvents. That's why we use a glass rod, right? This can be asked from you in your MCQs, in your exams also. हर चीज़ को याद रखें, हर चीज़ को note करें. It will help you out to be a better person, to be a better scientist, to be a better chemist, right? This will help you out in all that. So, what your syllabus is, now we'll come to the syllabus. What is your syllabus? These are few things which you are supposed. First of all, you should know the lab rules. Your lab starts at about 8:30. So you are supposed to be in the lab at about 8:15. You are supposed to be in this lab at about 8:15. So choose the buses which can drop you early and you can reach your lab at 8:15. Yeah, something. I will be over here at 8:30. Exactly, I will be here and your work will start at 8:30, inshallah. Hopefully. I am 100% sure from myself. Today, I never knew that you are coming because I have read the circular from you people that you are coming from next week. But still, I came to see कि कोई आया हुआ तो नहीं है, so I should come and I should see. ये मेरी ड्यूटी है, ये मेरा काम है. I am paid for this. मुझे पैसे मिलते हैं इस चीज़ के कि मुझे अपने टाइम पर यहाँ पर आना है, ठीक है? तो what I wanted to say that आपको पूरे 8:15 पे यहाँ पे आप आएंगे, तभी आप 8:30 पर इस काबिल हो जाएंगे कि organize yourself that you will be able to encounter your teacher, right? आप उसको टीचर को अपनी को समझ सकेंगे वो आज आपको क्या काम देने लगा, जब आप पहले से आके खड़े हुए होंगे. पहले से नहीं, आपका टाइम ही यही है. You can go and check your timetable. What is your time? It is 8:30. 8:30 means you are supposed to be in the lab at 8:15. तब तो आप जाकर अपना 8:30 तक organize होगे, अपनी चीज़ें सही करोगे. You will be wearing your lab coats. Today nobody is wearing a lab coat. आपको जब भी lab, there are few rules which I am very strict about, and I do not, have any, tolerance for, such students who are not obeying me. Because it comes under the category of something which I just don't remember right now. Okay, so daily performance, yes, that comes under the category of daily performance. That whether this includes your behavior, the way you work in the lab, either in the form of a group or ऐसे ही, ये सब आता है daily performance में. Whatever daily performance क्या चीज़ होती है? Daily performance means the काम जो आप रोज आकर यहाँ पर करोगे. रोज means on your turn. because you have organic chemistry lab once in a week. ऐसे है?
Yes, ma'am.
Every group has organic chemistry turn once in a week. So that means if you are not there, आपने वो मिस कर दिया चांस, तो आपका वो एक हफ्ता पूरा गया. ठीक है? Next week आप आओगे, you will be loaded with lot of work जो पिछला रहता होगा, and I will be far ahead. आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा कि what teacher is saying, अब हम कैसे इसको complete करें. So you are supposed, number one rule of my lab is you have to be regular, you have to be punctual, you have to be before time. That means at 8:15 you are supposed to reach. You are supposed to reach at इस लैब में अचन जो टाइम कहिड़ो आहे 8:15 ते तव्हांखे लैब जे अंदरि अचिणो आहे. तव्हांखे अहिड़ी बसिस सिलेक्ट करणी आहिनि जेका तव्हांखे हिते 8 लॻे 15 मिंट या 8 लॻे 10 मिंट ते तव्हांखे हिते पुॼाइनि, so that you can reach your lab. ठीकु आहे? And those who are not on time, I won't allow them in my lab. आउं लैब में उन्हनि खे अचणु कोन ॾींदसि स्टूडेंट्स खे. I am telling you again and again, जेका देरि सां ईंदा. Because why I am doing that? I'm not your enemy. Why I am doing that? Because जॾहिं तव्हां देरि सां ईंदा, आउं इलाही शयूं तव्हांखे सम्झाए चुकी हुयसि, ऐं तव्हां सभु कुझु मिस करे चुकिया आहियो. तव्हांखे कुझु यादि कोन हूंदो. तव्हां पुछंदा हाणे भई छा पई ॿुधायो मैडम, छा ॿुधायो पहिरीं, छा ॿुधायो. तव्हां हुननि खे बि डिस्टर्ब कंदा, पाण बि डिस्टर्ब थींदा, आउं बि डिस्टर्ब थींदसि तव्हांजी हिननि गपशप में. So whatever I have told you, I'm not going to repeat it. That's for sure. I never repeat what I say. ये आपकी फर्स्ट इंट्रो में जो चीज़ें अभी कवर हो रही हैं, ये आपको हमेशा याद रखनी है. Number 1, punctuality of your lab. Number 2, regular. You have to be regular, punctual. Number 3, you have to be before time. Number 4 is you have to be in proper uniform. That is, you are supposed to wear the lab coat. लैब कोट आपने पहनना है, जिसको आप वाइट एप्रन कहते हैं, लैब कहते हैं, वो पहन के आपने अंदर आना है. यू शुड बी हैविंग योर रजिस्टर or your, not a register, sorry, a journal, chemistry journal is supposed to be with you in your hands. आपके हाथ में आपका chemistry, regular chemistry journal जो एक मिलता है, सही standard chemistry journal, just buy that one. छोटा सा, पतला सा, लंबा सा, अजीबो गरीब से, please don't buy those जो यहाँ पर मिल रहे हैं. No, go to the shop somewhere जहाँ पर standard, जिस पे लिखा हुआ है chemistry journal, and it has got a lace at one side, वो एक standard chemistry journal है. Buy that one, so that it has got enough pages, and you have the chance to, you can add up more pages into your journal. Your pages are finished, हम उसमें और additions कर सकते हैं. That is the main फायदा of that journal. So you should be having your journal. You are supposed to be wearing your aprons. And number 3rd thing is, main thing, the syllabus, the scheme. You have a particular scheme for this lab. I don't know if any one of you has that scheme. It is lying in my office. I forgot to bring here. You can go to Mr. Zen. जो भी CRs हैं, it's their duty to go get that. या आज आप अभी इसके बाद क्या करोगे? You should go for the scheme. Scheme जाकर आप लैब से लें, वहाँ से लाइब्रेरी से लें. Mr. Zan is sitting here, either from him or from the Photoshop boy. He must be having the scheme for BS Part 3 Organic Chemistry first semester scheme. Right? It has got heading. It has got some heading: preliminary examination of known and unknown organic compounds, something like that. Or ऐसा लिखा हुआ identification of known and unknown organic compounds. So what the scheme tells you what? That you are going to identify organic compounds. You will be given the compounds in the form, a solid form or in a liquid form, whatever the form they are in. You will be provided that compound, and now we will teach you how you can identify the organic compound. Now what comes under identification? There are so many steps. Of course, the state, it is in state में, whether it is in solid state, whether you will look at the powder and you will see. बेटा आप इधर उधर इतने disinterested क्या देख रहे हैं? आपको मुझे देखना चाहिए, because ये बातें जो मैं बता रही हूँ आपको वहाँ से थोड़ी बताएंगे will be on दूसरा में, हाँ? उनको नहीं देखो, इधर concentration करो. I know it's tough. पहली दफा आप देख रहे हो, आपको समझ भी कम आ रहा होगा, इतना ज़्यादा नहीं. You will not be able to grab that much. लेकिन try to follow your teacher, because मुझे आपको हजम करना है, digest करना है दफा, ठीक है? And I have to digest you people, so we need to understand each other. हमारी mutual understanding होनी चाहिए, so that we can be, we can be in a comfortable position, and we will be in a good state to understand each other, right? So when you are going to identify the compound, first thing that you are going to face is identification. आज तो late लतीफ आ रहे हैं, you will not be allowed again late. Latecomers are not allowed in the lab. Keep that thing in your mind. Your time is 8:30 and look at your watches and what time you entered the lab. ठीक है, टाइम नोट कर लो किस टाइम पे आप आए हो. बैग उतार कर रखो. So अभी मैंने इतना कुछ जो बताया, you have missed everything. आपको कोई यहाँ पे बच्चे जो है वो रिपीट करके बताएंगे. I can't repeat all those things. You are supposed to reach at the lab at about 8:15 ताकि आप 8:30 के ऊपर अपने आप को ऑर्गेनाइज करके and you should be able to start your lab, right? So what I was saying that you will be provided an organic compound. आपको एक known organic compound पहले दिया जाएगा. Known का मतलब क्या होता है? What is unknown? What is known? Known means you know its name. And when you know anyone's name, you know everything about it, right? आजकल तो वो वाला दौर है, ठीक है? किसी एक नाम पता लग जाए, उसके बाद हर चीज़ पता लग जाती है कि ये चीज़ है, ये यहाँ रहता है, इसका ये काम है, इसका ये हरकत है, whatsoever, इसकी एक्टिविटीज़ है, ये इसकी अच्छी बातें हैं, इसकी बुरी, everything comes under that if you know the name of the compound, right? So पहले आपको known दिया जाएगा, so that you will be able to follow कि how you are going to go through different, then you are going to find out different ways in the scheme. There are number of tests. You will go through all those tests. You will perform all those tests. And जब आप उन tests को करते चले जाएंगे, आपको पता लगता जाएगा उस compound के बारे में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. You will come to know about that compound. Yes, for example, today you saw me. I have never taught you before. मुझे आपके बारे में कुछ पता नहीं था. And you have never been in my class. आपको मेरे बारे में कुछ नहीं पता था. So today is the first day. So I am identifying all of you right now, and you are identifying me as your teacher, right? अब आज हमें इतना ही पता लगा है हमारी टीचर है, इसका नाम प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर मोइना अख्तर मुगल है. She is our professor. She is our teacher. She is going to teach organic chemistry lab. So what is this all process? ये क्या है? What is all? This is all identification. This is the process of identification. That in stepwise you are coming to know about your teacher. And in stepwise, I am coming to know my students. That these are the faces. I am remembering all the faces. Right now, I don't know your name except for few. मुझे बाकियों के नाम नहीं आते. But I know the faces, and the faces become familiar with the time. आप लोग मेरे साथ familiar हो जाएंगे with the passage of time. देखिए ये मेरे students थे. They were all my students, and they were in the lab, right? And they were in the lab for the first introductory class. And all 4 groups were. All 4 groups are here.
Yes, ma'am.
So इतना है. अभी कुछ समझ में आई बातें हैं. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आया? कुछ lab rules follow किया आप लोगों ने? कि क्या lab rules हैं? Can somebody come here and repeat whatever I said? The lab rules, about lab rules. Boys में से कोई आया कि अगर बताया मैंने क्या बताया था? Lab के बारे में. कोई आएगा? Voluntarily ask. I would appreciate.
सबसे पहले आपको टाइम पे आना चाहिए. जो मैडम ने बताया गया है 15 पे आपको टाइम पे आना चाहिए लैब में, ऑर्गेनिक लैब में स्पेशली. और लैब कोड आपको होना चाहिए. ये जो
आपको मेंशन है ना टाइम क्या है?
टाइम है 8:15 और जो लैब स्टार्ट होगी वो 8:30 पे मैम आएगी, लैब को स्टार्ट करेगी पंक्चुअली. सेकेंडली आपको लैब कोड होना चाहिए. एंड थर्ड जो है वो आपको जो केमिस्ट्री जर्नल होना चाहिए, स्पेशली जो केमिस्ट्री का जर्नल होता है जो मिलता है वही लेना चाहिए. सिलेबस स्कीम जो लेनी चाहिए आपको फोटो स्टेट पे या जो अपनी सेमिनार लाइब्रेरी है वहाँ से मिलेगा. थैंक यू.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. अपने साथी से समझने में ज़्यादा अच्छा पता लगता है कि मेरे फ्रेंड ने मुझे सिखाया, समझाया क्लास में, बिकॉज ही इज ऑफ योर एज. आप उनकी बात ज़्यादा अच्छे तरीके से समझेंगे. ऐसा होता है ना. सो अब ये जो बात कर रहे हैं इनको रहने दें. इनको घूमता ये यूँ ही घूमते फिरते रहेंगे. जो लेट लतीफ़ इतने लेट हैं कि वो 9 बजे के बाद भी नहीं आए. तो इनको रहने दें. They will always be like that. I appreciate you people. I welcome you all. कि आप सब आए. I am happy कि आपने मुझे approach किया and मुझे पता लगा कि yes you are here and हमने एक छोटी सी introductory class कर ली. I hope today this much is enough. इतना काफी. ठीक है. So go and give your attendance to Mr. Irfan. Mr. Irfan, please come.